Hello, hello, hello. Say hello to my little friend. This is Skip. He came from Vegas.
Yay!
Yay! And he brought me a bottle of Vegas vodka called Vegas Baby.
Woohoo!
Vegas Baby. And he also brought me a headache, so I had to take an Excedrin. He was changing Alexa's name to all kinds of other stuff. And it's my Alexa. I don't know what the hell this guy was thinking. And also, he brought a bottle of this beautiful, made in Vegas, smoke wagon. I don't know how you put smoke on a wagon. Might have lit the wagon on fire and it started smoke. But we're going to make a drink with...
Skip's got his glasses on upside down.
Yeah, that's his signature.
Skip's glasses are upside down.
Fine, you're talking in my video.
I can talk. I'm the director, producer.
Here we go again. Now I got to do it all over again. What the hell is wrong with you?
I married you, didn't I?
Yeah, something must be wrong with me.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Okay. Please pardon Karen. She doesn't know that I was recording. She forgot.
I did not.
On Fremont Street. You too, Mrs. G. Mrs. G's giving me 2 fingers here. She's saying I'm number 2 instead of number 1. Anyhow, I'm going to make a cocktail with bourbon, smoke wagon bourbon from Vegas, and it's going to be good. Okay, so are you ready? Good, because I'm not. And now a little word from our sponsor. Well, we don't have a sponsor. We're sponsorless. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, here we go. Skip, it's your cocktail to make. Okay? First of all, you gotta talk, Skip. You can't not talk. You gotta say something. Did you fart? Oh my God! Skip cut the cheese. Not really, I'm lying. I farted. It was all me. We're gonna put in, this is for a double. This is for a double drink. We're gonna put in 2 ounces of lime juice. Skip wants you to see it, but I can't see it. So I don't know how much is in there. 2 ounces of lime juice it is. You know why? I don't know why. We're gonna call this cocktail the Casino Strip Cocktail, the Strip Casino Cocktail, because this is a new invention that Skip thought up this morning. When he got out of bed, he says, "This is what I want you to make." I says, "What is it?" He says, "How the hell should I know?" Right?
Right.
See, he spoke. He spoke. This is for a double, so when you're doing a single, just cut it in half. I'll put the directions down below so you know what's going on. The directions are always written down somewhere. I always put my directions below, or the ingredients below. And Maui Karen Ann did this perfect. Maui Karen Ann is the girl, aren't you? Look at that face. She's giving me a nasty look over here, ladies and germs. Well, in this case here, we've got 1.5 ounces of lime. 1.5 ounces of lime juice. Mixer, please. Shaker. No, right here. This one. My assistant is helping me. 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. Why? Because the lime juice is kind of tart. Simple syrup, 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. Four ounces of bourbon. Why don't we make it 5 ounces? Okay, there you go. 5 ounces of bourbon. Why don't we make it 6? That's a Smoke Wagon Bourbon. Smoke Wagon Bourbon. And 2 ounces of Amaretto. Two ounces of Cointreau. What is this? What's the name of this? The Strip Casino? The Strip Casino? Yeah. The Strip Casino? No. Let's call it something else. Let's call it the Karen is mad at me cocktail. Okay, Karen? Ice. Skip is playing games. Skip is playing games on me. Making up my mixer. And I got these really nice coupes that came out of the freezer. And that's how we're going to do it. Now you got to look at this. This is perfect. This is perfect. Perfect. Can I say it one more time? This is perfect. For garnish, we're going to put our fingers in for garnish. No? Here you go. Cheers to us.
There we go.
A little bit different, isn't it? You like it better or less?
This is better.
This is better. This is better. Skip said this is better. We're going to have outtakes at the end, maybe, if I can edit them right, because we were using some cuss words. And we don't like to do cuss words in public. So we're not going to do them. Anyhow, say hello to your mama. And if you fly in a plane, wear a mask. Cocktail Tony and Skip, the Cocktail Tony shirt guy, over and out.